Hey everybody, guess what? I have another mom box just arrived, so I thought I'd open it up with you because who doesn't love a mom box? So this is some kind of foreign money. I can't. My eyes are not good, and then trying to look through the camera lens at it. Singapore. Okay, it says country money for Bean from Toast Lady, which is a whole story. So my daughter, when she was little, started collecting foreign currency, and she called it country money, like money from other countries when she was little. And Bean is what my mom calls her. So that's fun. Oh, and Toast Lady. So when she was little, we went to one of my mom's friends' houses, and she was so gracious to not make my daughter eat whatever we were having, which was some delicious food, but my daughter's super picky, and she just wanted toast. And so Christine gave her toast, and from then on she was Toast Lady. So that's super cute. Look at these fun quilt scraps. Teeny tiny baby scraps. Ooh, look at that. That's gonna be fun. Yes. Okay. So there's a lot of jewelry in this box. I know that already because my mom helped a friend who is moving go through some stuff, and she was getting rid of a lot of her mother's old like costume jewelry and stuff, and so my mom asked if I wanted it, and of course I did. So cheesecloth, which is useful. My mom asked if I needed some, and I was like, well, I don't need it, but if you just have some to get rid of, and she had a huge bag of it. So these are all scraps. Aren't they fun? She's like, how little of scraps do you want? And I said, well, just send it, and whatever's too little to like make a tab out of or whatever, I'll just sew on top of stuff like snippet rolls and stuff. So she was like, great. So I'm just sorting through this a little bit to try to get to the next layer. So that's cute. More index cards. I better get busy using index cards. That's cute. Another tea box. I haven't actually figured out a way to use those yet, but that's okay. Seam binding package. Super cute. That'll go in a journal. More scraps. She even saves the little things from old thread for me. Oh, look at the buttons, you guys. I love these old buttons. I use them all the time. And some little things for danglies. That's fun. And these are some tassels. She asked me if I wanted these. I said, I don't know for sure, but she said, I'll send some. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Put those on journal dangles maybe? It's a little drawing. My mom does really amazing drawings on, is it linen? I don't really know. It's like I don't think it's linen, but anyway, and the ones that she deems practice or not good enough, she sends to me because I think they're great. Tea tag. These are from Pam. Oh, thank you, Pam. Pam will probably watch this. Pam is one of my friends one of my mom's friends that follows me on Instagram. I won't use her ID just in case she doesn't want people to know. But I don't know how to open this. Here we go. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oh, these are so cool. Look at these, are huge. I don't know if you can really, like, yeah, that's awesome. How fun is that? That's gonna make like a really awesome large journaling tag. Several of them, because there's a whole box. I love it. Thank you, Pam. More tassels. Those are cute. I like the pink. Oh, look at this. Look at this vintage tablecloth. Look at those colors. So beautiful. That's a lot of fabric in my world, because I only use little tiny pieces at a time. Thank you, Mom. Alright, what do we got next? Everything below this is from Christine. Mother, where did you get this paper? Because I pay good money for that kind of paper. It's really, really awesome paper. Oh my goodness. This is like Christmas. Oh my gosh. Old postcards. Oh, these are so cool. So cute. Definitely be using those in journals, yes. Awesome. Oh, notebook from Livestock Place. Vintage. Cute. Another one. I love these. So cute. Oh, this one's like graph paper. Love it, love it, love it. Oh. Little vintage Valentine's. Oh, so cute. Okay, oh, a little travel kit. Very nice. I just love the randomness of these boxes. So the kind of fun thing about this is my daughter, she's tried to have her ears pierced twice now, and both times they get super infected. Well, just one side gets super infected. So we're not sure. We tried like the higher quality metals and everything, and it still happened. So anyway, all of these earrings are clip-ons. So she's gonna have fun. Like, I don't know how much of it is her style, because I'm old and that makes me kind of dumb about her style, but they'll be fun for her to go through anyway. And then, you know, whatever she doesn't want, I'll either take apart and put on journal bangles, or just clip them onto you know, ribbons that go around journals, or decorate different, you know. I'm sorry, I can't have words and look through this stuff at the same time, apparently. So there is a lot of beads in here. I plan to take apart and repurpose and give new life to. I'm super excited about that. Oh, that's cool. So she asked if I wanted chains, and I was like, I mean, I don't know. I don't use chains, but I could use chains, right? I mean, I don't know. I'm always open to trying new things. So this is really, really exciting and fun. And my dog is like, what are you doing? So thank you, Christine. Thank you, Mom. This is exciting. Thank you, Pam. I'm not going to take every individual thing out because that would just be a lot. So I'm going to sign off for now, and later I want to show you what I got from Peacecraft Love, so tune in for that next.